As far as we know, after human civilization began, simple tools like hammers appeared shortly then. It's shaped today, though naturally the head is made of steel instead of stone. The hammer is not much different from that of the Stone Age tool. There are many different kinds of hammers with various shapes and styles depending on the trade. But even in a single trade, there can be differing shapes. Here I will focus on the type of hammer commonly used in woodworking. The most common one is the flat-ended hammer called genno. There are 5 sizes of genno. This is an extra-large hammer with a head that weighs 940 grams to 1,125 grams. A large hammer, 650 grams to 750 grams. A medium hammer, 400 grams to 500 grams. A small hammer, 250 grams to 300 grams. In hardwood, however, the fibers are too strong, and it is necessary to reduce their strength somewhat to make nailing easier. The ideal situation thus becomes to partially kill the wood fibers. This is done by snipping off the points of the nails, which allows them to sever fibers, like chisels, as they enter the wood. Most genno heads are laminations of hard and soft steel, although some are made entirely of soft steel and tempered at both ends. The center of the end is slightly softer so that it will not slip when you strike the head of the nail or nail set. Another typical hammer I want to introduce is saw set hammer, called Roguchi Asaritsuchi. This hammer is used to set the teeth of a saw on a kanachoko, anvil. The upper side of the head is tapered, so you can see where you are striking. Thin and flat head, it is not tempered too hard and is grooved, so it will not slip when striking the hard, small, and brittle saw teeth. These hammers also come in 5 different sizes like the Genno, extra large, large, medium, small and extra small.